Okay guys, now that we've created our folders, we can go ahead and start working in Premiere. If you haven't already, go ahead and download that promo folder that you see in Haiku above this video, and that'll end up in your downloads folder. So open Finder and go to downloads here, and then it'll be a zip folder. Double click on that, it'll expand into a folder. And we have to put that in our correct folder in our folder structure so that it does not stay in downloads. So I'm going to open up that first project folder again. And since this media is already named, we're going to go ahead and move that into our media folder. That's where all our video clips go. So I'm just going to drag that whole promo folder from downloads into media. And now that's organized correctly. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up Premiere right here on your dock. And Premiere will open up with this window here. You're not going to have all these extra project files. This is just our start window basically. And I'm going to come over here to New Project, and that'll create a new project file. Okay, then it'll give you the option to give it a name. So I'm going to call this one First Project. And then you have to change the location next. So right now it's going into Users, My User, Documents, Adobe Premiere Pro 11.0. That's not where I want your project files to go because you're never going to look there for them. Smarter to go ahead and click the Browse button, and you're going to put it into your project folder. So in your project folder is where project files go. So go ahead and open that up, click Choose, and now it'll say here Users, Envoys, Desktop, First Project, and then it's in that project folder. And that's about the only thing you have to change in here for now. There are scratch disk options and ingest options, and we'll go more into those as we teach more about the program. But for most projects, all you have to worry about is giving your project a name and saving it into that project folder. Then it'll open up Premiere. So I'm just going to go over our interface real quick, and then I'll do a separate video for each one of these sections. So our first window down here in the bottom left corner, this is our project window. Our project window is where all of our media is stored. So this is where you'll see all of your video clips, your audio clips, all that stuff. So let's go ahead and import our video clips that we just moved into our media folder. A bunch of ways to do that. First way, and probably the easiest, is to just double click inside of this empty space, and then that'll open up an import dialog. You could also go up to File, Import, and that'll open up this same import dialog, and the keyboard shortcut for that is Command-I. Command-I is the keyboard shortcut for import. So I'm just going to hit Command-I, and then go to Desktop, and then I'm just going to change my view there. Go into Media, Promo, and I'm going to import all these. For this stuff, and for probably a lot of the media we work with, you might get an error that says like DNS store. That's just a ghost file that it creates in Google Drive. Don't worry about it. Because if you look, all of your actual video clips are down here, right? So same thing as Finder, right? They have all the same names. Some of you, maybe your Premiere looks like this, where it'll have that promo folder, and then you can open that up and you'll see all these different clips. That's fine too. It's a personal preference thing. To change that, it's down here in the bottom left corner. If you like the big video tiles, that's icon view. Personally, I like list view. So that's how you import video. And this window up here is your source window. This is your program window. It says all the titles up on top, and your timeline. Okay. So next video, I'm going to go into the project window and how to use that and the source window as well.